Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we're going to talk about all things about money, cash, and how to live a richer life. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and jump into the comments for some fun discussions. We're going to cover everything, from saving hacks to tricks that can boost your pocket change. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a topic that's crucial for you. Money management and saving tips for your resolution of the new year. Whether you're an entrepreneur, office worker, affiliate marketer, YouTuber, or just someone looking to boost their financial life, these 15 tips will surely help you. But before I started, may I say please, to support our channel, by clicking the like button and subscribe into our channel. Without any further, let's dive in and get started. Tip 1. Create a monthly budgeting. First and foremost, create a budget. It's like a roadmap for your money. Outline your income and expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Tip 2. Emergency fund. Next up, build that emergency fund. Having at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up in a bank can be a financial lifesaver during unexpected events. Tip 3. Automate savings. Make saving a habit by automating transfers to your savings account. This ensures consistent savings without you even thinking about it. Tip 4. Track expenses. Keep tabs on your daily expenses. Small leaks can sink big ships, so identify areas where you can cut back and save. Tip 5. Prioritize debts. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts. It not only saves you money on interest but also improves your overall financial health. Tip 6. Comparison shop. Before making any purchase, compare prices. A little extra time comparing can lead to significant savings. Tip 7. Limit credit card usage. Use credit cards wisely. Pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges eating into your hard-earned money. Tip 8. Negotiate bills. Don't be afraid to negotiate bills. Reach out to your service providers to see if you can get better deals on things like insurance or internet services. Tip 9. Invest wisely. Explore investment options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing is a powerful way to make your money work for you. Tip 10. Review subscriptions. Regularly review your subscriptions. Cancel any that you no longer need or use. Those monthly fees can add up. Tip 11. Cook at home. Yeah, I know. Maybe for some of you, it sounds ridiculous, but eating out can be pricey. Consider preparing meals at home to save money and maybe even adopt a new skill. Tip 12. Save windfalls. When you get unexpected money, like a bonus or tax refund, resist the urge to splurge. Save a portion of it for a rainy day. Tip 13. Set financial goals. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or a dream vacation, having goals keeps you motivated and on track. Tip 14. Regularly review finances. Periodically review your finances. Life changes, and so should your budget. Make adjustments as needed to stay on top of your financial game. Last but not least. Tip 15. Educate yourself. Think about educating yourself for personal finance. Stay informed on topics that impact your money, so you can make informed decisions. And there you have it. That wraps up our 15 tips for effective money management and saving. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, It's not just about saving money. It's about creating the reserve fund and a backup plan for your timeline. Now go out there and enjoy your new beginning of the year, and let the money of yours be productive for every single day. Please do come back into our next videos. Cheers to your prosperity, and hope you find this video well. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay financially savvy everyone. See ya.